Apa mo? Masih mukha on. Say hello ni Karimi kay Sad siya. Hello. Say hello sa ba? Say hi, sabi hi. Good morning.
Bak. Bak.
Hello ba si Manang? Hello si ano?
Bak. Bak.
Okay. I'm sad for you. I cannot, asuto ka na eh. Cannot express. No? Mag-listen in English, oy. It's really hard. What do you do for a living? No. I'm just a full housewife. I'm just taking care of my kids, yes. Without them, I am nothing, char joke. Joke lang. Yeah. When people ask me about that, I just tell them that I just take care of my kids. I take care of my kids. I'm a full-time. That's why. I did not work. My partner worked for us. That's it. Thank you. I already have 2 daughters. My oldest daughter is still sleeping, and this one is awake. She woke up ahead from me. She woke up ahead. No, baby, no.
Baba.
Thank you again. Thank you so much. Yes. Ayaw nak, ipang luwa man ni mo. Ipakit. Gara-gara ka? Gara-garaan si mama ha? Say good morning. Good morning. Yes. Ay, kaya mangilog mag-cellphone. Nawaron kaya mangilog. Mangilog mag-cellphone. Amang ka.
Apa?
Asa ka lagi? Lugit Say hi. Hi guys. Ay mo manggikuan, bebe. Mag-thank you sa ta. Thank you again for coming. Welcome to my live. Please like and subscribe. Nawala na tayo. Napak ko ikaw. Lo, taraway mong now. It's so big. It's so big kaayo. It's so big. There you go. Bored na siya. Yeah. My baby is already bored. Just drink water. Yeah. Thank you again for coming, guys. Please like and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you so much. Dako mo siyang kalit mo ka. My phone is hang na siya. Hang na siya. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you guys for coming again. I'm gonna end this live because my kid is already, she's not in the mood now. She want to hold the phone. Okay.
Uh,